Dow futures turned positive after Gilead Sciences said its antiviral remdesivir was associated with an improvement in clinical recovery and a 62% reduction in the risk of mortality in COVID-19 patients. Shares of Gilead were higher in the pre-market. CNBC Wall Street was lower earlier, one day after the U.S. saw a record-high 63,200 new daily COVID-19 cases. The Dow Jones Industrial Average on Thursday fell 360 points, or 1.4%, on renewed concerns about slowing business reopenings, and in some cases reclosures, in hot-spot states. However, the Nasdaq rose 0.5%, closing at another record as investors continue to buy what they perceive as coronavirus-proof tech stocks. CNBC BioNTech's BNTX U-listed shares rose about 2% in the pre-market after CEO Dr. Ugur Sahin told the Wall Street Journal its coronavirus vaccine candidate could be ready for approval by December. On today's economic calendar, the government reported a key measure of inflation Friday morning. The June Producer Price Index fell 0.2%. Economists had expected a 0.4% gain. CNBC Coronavirus mortgage bailout sees biggest one-week decline yet, but more borrowers are extending terms. CNBC United Airlines and the union representing its some 13,000 pilots have reached a tentative agreement for voluntary furloughs and early retirement packages. United is the last of the four biggest U carriers to reach such an agreement with pilots. Shares of United, which lost more than 7% Thursday, were dropping another 3.5% in Friday's pre-market. CNBC American, United call off Hong Kong flights after crew testing rules. CNBC shares of Disney were under pressure in Friday's pre-market trading, ahead of Saturday's reopening of Walt Disney World in Orlando, at a time when Florida is seeing major COVID-19 spikes. Disney and Comcast's Universal theme parks in California have yet to be given the green light to reopen as coronavirus infections also surge in the Golden State. Comcast is the parent company of NBCUniversal and CNBC. Ford may have to shut some U car plants if it fails to receive Mexico-produced engines. Reuters, California and Florida were among 12 states that hit a record-breaking 7-day average for daily new COVID-19 cases, according to a CNBC analysis of data compiled by Johns Hopkins University. States grappling with expanding coronavirus outbreaks should seriously consider shutting down again, White House health advisor Dr. Anthony Fauci said on a Wall Street Journal podcast this week. Fauci says he has not briefed Trump in 2 months and has not seen him at the White House since early June. World Health Organization Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus said the pandemic is getting worse around the world as a record 227,000 new COVID-19 cases were reported globally Thursday.